Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something really exciting. The best WordPress services you can start selling right now on Fiverr and Upwork. If you want to make money online with your skills, this video is for you. Let's start it. The first service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is setting up WordPress websites. There are thousands of people every day who just want a simple website installed with a theme and some basic plugins. You do not need to be an expert. If you know how to install WordPress, you can offer this service. The second service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is WordPress theme customization. A lot of clients buy themes but have no idea how to change colors, layouts, or even add their logo. You can offer simple customization services, and trust me, it pays really well. The third service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is landing page design. Businesses are always looking for a beautiful landing page that convert visitors into customers. You can use tools like Elementor and no coding needed for this at all. The fourth service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is WooCommerce store setup. E-commerce is booming and many people want their own online store. If you can install WooCommerce, set up payment gateways and upload a few products, you are good to go and can sell their services on Fiverr or Upwork. The fifth service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is speed optimization. Everyone wants a fast website. You can offer services like image optimization, caching setup, and plugin cleanup to make sites load faster. The sixth service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is SEO setup for WordPress. Setting up rank math or Yoast, creating a sitemap, optimizing titles are basic services, but these are valuable services you can easily provide. The seventh service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is WordPress security services. Clients are scared of hackers. You can help by installing security plugins, setting up backups, and hardening the site. The eighth service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is website migration. Moving a site from one hosting to other sounds scary to many people, but it's actually easy if you know how to do it. The ninth service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is quick fixes and bug solving. Sometimes plugin breaks, sometimes the site looks weird after an update. Offering a fixed WordPress issue services can bring you a lot of work. And finally, the 10th service you can offer on Fiverr or Upwork is setting up multi-vendor marketplace. With plugins like Dukaan, WCFM, or WC Vendors, you can help clients create their own Amazon-like marketplaces. It's a high-paying service if you can do it properly. These are some of easiest and most profitable WordPress services you can sell right now. If you like our video, kindly like the video, share it with your friends and relatives, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more WordPress theme and plugin reviews, tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.